If you flip cars the right way or thinking to start flipping cars the right way, you don't need luck. You need a proven system. I flipped over 400 cars in the last 8 years and only lost money on 10 of them in the very beginning of my journey when I didn't know what I'm doing. That's over a 99% success rate, and it comes down to 5 simple filters, or pillars as I call them. If you use these 5 filters every time you buy, you will almost never lose money flipping cars. Let me break them down for you in under 5 minutes. Pillar number 1, clean title only. This is such a basic rule, yet most flippers still neglect it. If the title isn't clean, walk away. Salvage title, rebuild title, lemon buybacks, just don't touch them. People hate drama, banks hate drama, buyers hate drama. Clean title cars sell much faster, way easier, and always for more money. This one rule alone gonna help you whether you're an established flipper or just a beginner from 80% of common losses. And how do you verify that the title is clean? Simply pull the Carfax report. Not only it's gonna give you peace of mind when you're buying the car, but also it's a great selling point when you have the car listed for sale, offering the Carfax report. And you might complain, oh no, Carfax report is so expensive. It's not worth paying $45 per single report. And that is correct. It is very expensive. But luckily you're watching me, and I'm gonna give you a resource to pull the Carfax report at 90+% cheaper than it is on their official website. Just click the first link in the description to enjoy those super cheap Carfax reports, or simply message me on my Instagram and I will send you that link. Don't gamble on cars. Check the data, and Carfax is your data. Pillar number 2, only look for cars with 140,000 miles or less, with just few exceptions. Here's the truth, lower miles, faster flips. Under 140,000 miles, from my experience, is the sweet spot where the buyers feel pretty comfortable and financing is easier too. But there are some exceptions where mileage doesn't really matter that much, and mostly that applies to Toyota products like 4Runners, FJ Cruisers, Lane Cruisers, Lexus LS. Those cars don't really die. And most buyers don't really care if these cars have 180,000 or 220,000 miles. They still want them. But for pretty much everything else, keep it at 140,000 miles or less, especially when it comes to European cars, and you will be safe and golden. And your turnover speed will be way faster. The third pillar is market-tailored cars. What does that mean? Buy the type of cars that match the lifestyle of where you live. If you're in Colorado or Pacific Northwest, all-wheel drive sells. I'm looking at you, Lesbo car lovers. I live both in Colorado and Washington State. People go insane about Subarus. If you're in Miami, luxury cars, convertible cars obviously sell. If you're in Texas, people go nuts about pickup trucks. If you're in Arizona, like I am, then kind of stay away from hybrid cars. People don't really like them. But off-road, like Jeeps and Toyota 4Runners and also pickup trucks, sell really great. If you're in California, fuel-efficient commuters and hybrids and EVs are really popular. Flipping gets easy when you stop guessing what sells and start buying what people in your area want to buy. Pillar number 4, less is more. Most car flippers, from my experience, lose money when they spread themselves too thin. They buy random cars, random brands, which means random problems. Focus on 1, maybe 2 models at first. When you know a car, specific car, inside out, you can determine the problems and the solutions and the repairs in probably less than 2 minutes, and know exactly how much money you will make before you even buy it. Depth beats the width every single time. And the pillar number 5, stay under $10,000. This is the price point with the highest demand here in North America. This is where the first-time buyers shop. This is where the college kids shop. This is where the cash buyers shop. It's just a massive pool of buyers that you can take advantage if you staying at $10,000 or less flipping cars. That's the price point where you dominate fast because your turnover speed is fast. If you follow these 5 pillars, clean title only, 140,000 miles or less, market-tailored buying, mastering 1 or 2 models, and staying at $10,000 or less, you will flip faster, safer, and way more profitable than 99% of flippers out there. This is the exact framework that I am using to hit a 99% win rate, flipping over 400 cars so far. In fact, I'm documenting the whole flipping process from the moment I find the car, buy the car, improve or repair whatever needs to be improved, sell it, and flip it, and break down the numbers down to cents within the 3K to exotic trade-up journey, where I started with an initial budget of only $3,000 and now flipping my way up all the way until I get to my childhood dream car, the Lamborghini Gallardo. If you want to see me buy and flip multitude of different cars and make a profit on every single of them, definitely check out the 3K to exotic trade-up journey right here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment sections below. Otherwise, I'll see you right here.